sa lahat ng mga aplikante dyan ng PNP, BFP, or BGMP, or pwede din sa Philippine Army, mapa-PCG pa yan, or Philippine Navy, or kahit ano pong agency ng Philippine Army, or any government offices po, pwede din po sa mga, or nagtatrabaho kayo, or mag-a-apply po kayo sa isang kumpanya. Pwede nyo po itong i-maximize. Itong Gemini Talking AI, or magagamit natin ito sa mga initial interview ninyo, lalong-lalo na sa mga PNP applicants dyan. Pwede nyo pong gagamitin ito that this device will act as an interviewer ninyo, or let's say mga personnel ng PNP, or pwede din kahit ano po, basta interviewer or isang panelist po sa isang interview, sa isang ad hoc interview. Pwede din po sa kahit na anong interview po ito, itong Gemini Talking AI. Madali lang po itong gagamitin ninyo. Magbigay lang po kayo ng instruction. Tulad nito, all you need to do, free lang po ito. Wala po kayong babayaran dito. I-search nyo lang po dito sa Google, Gemini Talking AI, tapos ito na po yung lalabas dyan. Ito. Magbibigay tayo ngayon, sample lang ito magbibigay tayo ng example po para naman ay at least kung paano to i-operate. Ito po yung Gemini Talking AI. I-click nyo lang po itong nasa gilid. Ito. Magbibigay tayo ng instruction dito that this device will act as an interviewer. Hello Gemini.
Hello there. You'd like me to play the role of an interviewer, huh? Sounds like fun.
Gemini, can you help me? You will act as an interviewer in the Philippine National Police. Then you will ask me anything regarding the PNP. Then you will make prompt questions, and I will answer those questions as well.
I understand. I will act as the interviewer for the Philippine National Police. We'll focus on questions related to your motivations for joining, your understanding of the role, and how you'd contribute to their mission. So, to begin, please tell me why you were so interested in serving with the PNP at this time.
See? Nagtatanong siya. I really want to join the Philippine National Police. My motivation is my family, and also this is my dream job and my dream career when I was a child until when I finished my study, and I have all the qualifications, and now I'm in front of you. I would really want to apply in the Philippine National Police. My motivation is my family, myself, and my future.
I appreciate you sharing that. It's clear you have a strong personal connection to this goal. Now, beyond your personal motivation, how do you see the role of a police officer within the community? And what specific values do you believe are most important for someone in that position?
See? Nagtatanong siya. Mahirap na question din yun. Nagtatanong siya, what are the values of or the role of the police or the PNP personnel in the community, then the values that yung pwede ninyo pong ipapakita sa komunidad. So, mahirap din na questions yun. So, mas mabuti din po ito, pwede nyo pong itong gawing daan para ma-enhance yung communication skills mo na yan at mga prompt questions na possible ay lalabas sa PNP interview. Diba? So, ito po yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo na Gemini, dapat nyo po itong gawin sa inyong bahay. Kung wala po kayong, hayaan mo yung mga sinasabi ng pamilya mo na para kang baliw, nagsasalita ng AI. Importante lang po talaga ay your communication skills. Okay? Tulungan po ninyo yung sarili nyo kasi alam ko po na madami po talagang mga aplikante nagtatanong para daw paano daw i-enhance ang communication skills nila ng English using English language, yung mga bagay po or mga questions daw. Mahirap po kasi i-predict yan. Yung mga questions ng isang mga panelists po, mahirap po talaga i-predict kasi iba-iba po yung estilo nila, iba-iba po yung magiging mga questions sa kanilang mga utak. So, mas mabuti na prepared tayo in case na kung ano ba yung mga itatanong nila, at least meron tayong mga possible questions na lalabas sa AI na ito. So, all you need to do ay nyo lang i-maximize. So, wait lang. Papasalitaan pa din natin. Hello, Gemini. What are the possible questions regarding when you apply in the PNP? What are the possible questions that the interviewer will ask you as an applicant?
I understand. You're thinking about the different questions they might ask and how to be best prepared. We already talked about motivations, and after that, interviewers often want to know how you'd handle specific situations, like dealing with conflict or making difficult decisions. They might also ask about community issues and how you see the police solving them, or even about your understanding of current events relevant to law enforcement. Would you like to practice some situational questions or maybe learn more about specific policies?
I really want to enhance my answering question skills, and also I really want to if that you will ask me anything regarding the background of the Philippine National Police and how to apply myself as an applicant, how to manage myself, my skills. And can you help me with that to enhance myself or to enhance my communication skills?
Yes, I can definitely help you with that. Enhancing your communication skills takes practice, and role playing is a great way to do it. So, as an interviewer for the PNP, I want to know, how do you stay informed about current events and issues in the Philippines? And how might that awareness influence your daily duties as a police officer?
All right, thank you so much for that question. I believe that I hear a lot of current issues, events regarding the Philippine National Police, most especially those Escabalags police officers. And as an applicant, I want to be a role model as a new breed of a police officer